Hello, welcome students. I am Rekha Thorat, Associate Professor. Now, I am going to discuss with you some examples. First example is, show that a plus a raised to theta is Hermitian and a minus a raised to theta is skew Hermitian matrix if A equal to square matrix of order 3 by 3. Here we have to show that this matrix A is Hermitian if A plus A raised to theta is Hermitian, and we have to show that A minus A raised to theta is skew Hermitian matrix. First we take transpose of given matrix, that is A transpose equal to this matrix of order 3 by 3. Then we take conjugate of this transpose matrix. We know that A transpose conjugate equal to A raised to theta equal to this square matrix of order 3 by 3. Then we calculate minus A raised to theta, that is we take negative of this above matrix A raised to theta. Then we calculate A plus A raised to theta from above matrices and A minus A raised to theta. From this we see that A plus A raised to theta equal to square matrix of order 3 by 3, which is Hermitian matrix. Why this matrix is Hermitian? Since in this square matrix diagonal elements are real and Aij equal to Aj bar, that is A12 equal to A21 bar. For example, A12 element is 5 minus 6i and A21 element is 5 plus 6i. They are conjugates of each other. That thus for all elements in this matrix Aij equal to Aj bar and diagonal elements are real, hence A plus A raised to theta is a Hermitian matrix. Similarly, we calculate A minus A raised to theta. In this square matrix, diagonal elements are either 0 or purely imaginary number, and other elements are negative complex conjugates of each other. That is Aij equal to minus Aj bar. Consider any element, A13 element. A13 element is 2 minus 2i. Take conjugate of this element. Conjugate of 2 minus 2i is 2 plus 2i. Take negative of that. That is minus 2 minus 2i. Thus, in this square matrix A minus A raised to theta, diagonal elements are either 0 or purely imaginary number, and other elements satisfies the condition Aij equal to minus Aj bar. That means this matrix A minus A raised to theta is skew Hermitian matrix. Denote this matrix by A. From this small a and small b notations, we see that every square matrix can be expressed as sum of Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrix. That is, A can be expressed as, given matrix A can be expressed as 1/2 into bracket, first bracket is A plus A raised to theta plus second bracket is A minus A raised to theta, and the whole bracket is complete. Thus, every square matrix can be expressed as sum of Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrix. Now consider another example. This is a square matrix A of order 3 by 3. This is a skew Hermitian matrix. Why this is skew Hermitian matrix? Since diagonal elements are either 0 or purely imaginary number, and non-diagonal element satisfies the condition Aij equal to minus Aj bar. For example, A12 element is 2 minus 3i, A21 element is negative complex conjugate of this. Conjugate of 2 minus 3i is 2 plus 3i, and negative of that is minus 2 minus 3i. Thus, in this square matrix A, diagonal elements are either 0 or purely imaginary number, and non-diagonal element satisfies the condition Aij equal to minus Aj bar. Hence, this is a skew Hermitian matrix. First, we take A transpose of this skew Hermitian matrix. Then we calculate conjugate of this A transpose. We know that A raised to theta equal to A transpose conjugate. Then we take negative of this A raised to theta. And finally we get which is equal to given matrix A. Thus we get A equal to minus A raised to theta, that is A raised to theta equal to minus A. And this condition is skew Hermitian matrix. That means given matrix satisfies the condition of skew Hermitian matrix. Since A equal to minus A raised to theta or A raised to theta equal to minus A. Thus given matrix A is skew Hermitian matrix. Thank you.